Exercise 5.2. Write the first six terms. Classify AP, GP or HP. AP is arithmetic progression, GP is geometric progression, HP is harmonic progression. We know about AP. AP is nothing but a sequence which has the common difference as same. Common difference is nothing but D equal to T2 minus T1. Geometric progression is nothing but the common ratio is same, that is R equal to T2 by T1, which is equal to T3 by T2. Then harmonic progression, which is new to you, it's nothing but that the harmonic progression is a sequence. If H1, H2, H3 etc. are in arithmetic progression, we can say 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3 etc. are also in arithmetic progression. If it is in arithmetic progression, we can say the given series is harmonic progression. Okay, let me go for the problems now. So we have to classify in which series it is. Okay, first we have to find 6 terms there and then we have to classify. Now look at here, the first problem, 1 by 2 power n equal to an. Here in the place of n we want to substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because they are 6 terms. So substitute n equal to 1. Therefore we got in the place of n it is 1, that is a1 equal to 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1 by 2 square, and then a2 is 1 by 2 cube, a3 is 1 by 2 power 4, and a4 is 1 by 2 power 5, and a5 is 1 by 2 power 6, a6 is 1 by 2 power 7. So we got 6 terms here like this: 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 2 power 6 and 1 by 2 power 7. Here we want to classify the sequence, that series there. So now I want to just find out R. R is nothing but T2 by T1. So we can have this T2 is 1 by 2 cube and T1 is 1 by 2 square. So it's nothing but 1 by 2 cube into 2 square, which is nothing but 1 by 2. We want to find the another R equal to 1 by 2 power 4 divided by 1 by 2 cube. So we got the answer is 1 by 2. Both the answers are same here. So we can say it is in GP. Second problem. Here it is given an equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by n plus 3 into n plus 4. Substitute a1, that is n equal to 1. So we have 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 5, which is 6 by 20. If you cancel, we can get 3 by 10. Likewise for a2, 3 into 4 by 5 into 6, which is 12 by 30 equal to 2 by 5. And then a3 is 4 into 5 divided by 6 into 7, which is equal to 10 by 21. We couldn't cancel anything here, so keep as it is here. A4 equal to 5 into 4 by 7 into 8, which is equal to 15 by 28. A5 equal to 6 into 7 divided by 8 into 9, which is equal to 7 by 12. A6 equal to 7 into 8 by 9 into 10, which is equal to 28 by 48. So the sequence is 3 by 10, 2 by 5, 10 by 21, 15 by 28, 7 by 12, 28 by 45. So we want to find whether it is in AP or in GP there. So the fractions are not in any order. So we can say straight away this is neither AP, GP nor HP. Third sum, 4 into 1 by 2 whole power n equal to an. Here we want to substitute for n equal to 1 is 4 into 1 by 2 equal to, we can cancel these two so that we have 2. If n equal to 2, 4 into 1 by 4, that answer is 1. And then n equal to 3, so 4 into 1 by 8, can cancel here and here, so 1 by 2. And then a4, so 1 by 16, so we can cancel here and here, so we can have 1 by 4 here. And then a5, so 4 into 1 by 32 equal to 1 by 8. And then a6 equal to 4 into 1 by 64 equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, the sequence is 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, etc. Here we want to find out this sequence in which progression it is. Okay. So, here it is A is 2 and R is T2 by T1, isn't it? So, we can say this 1 by 2, and if you take this T3 and T2, 1 by 2 by 1, so that is also 1 by 2 only. So, we can say this is in GP here. Fourth sum, minus 1 by 1 power n divided by n equal to an. Here also we want to take n equal to 1, therefore minus 1 power 1 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 1. Then a2 is minus 1 power 2 divided by 2 here. So here also minus 1 square is 1 by 2. And then if n equal to 3, minus 1 power 3 divided by 3 here. So here minus 1 by 3. Likewise a4 is minus 1 power 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. a5 equal to minus 1 power 5 divided by 5. Therefore, minus 1 by 5 is here. And then in the place of n equal to 6, minus 1 power 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, the sequence is minus 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Okay. So, now we want to classify the sequence. Okay. So, now look at the new denominator. So, the denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So, we can say, we can find D equal to T2 minus T1, isn't it? So, that T2 is 2 here. So, 2 minus 1. So, this 2 minus 1 is 1 here, and 3 minus 2 is also 1. So, for the common difference is 1 at the denominator. And then look at the numerator, we have minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, etc. Isn't it? So, we want to find out in which it is, AP or GP. Let me find our common ratio, T2 by T1, that is 1 by minus 1. And T3 by T2 is also minus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 1 only. So, I can say the numerator is in geometric progression. Therefore, we can conclude from the numerator and the denominator, this is arithmetic geometric progression. So, we have this combined thing also, that is arithmetic geometric progression. Fifth division, an equal to 2n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 4. Here I want to substitute 1 for n. So, which is nothing but a1 equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 5 by 9. And then put n equal to 2. Therefore, we have 4 plus 3 by 6 plus 4, that is 7 by 10. And then a3, that is for n equal to 3, 6 plus 3 by 9 plus 4, which is nothing but 9 by 13. and then put n equal to 4, that is 8 plus 3 by 12 plus 4, which is nothing but 11 by 16, and then put n equal to 5, that is 10 plus 3 by 15 plus 4, which is nothing but 13 by 19. If n equal to 6, 12 plus 3 divided by 18 plus 4, that is nothing but 15 by 22. Now we got this answers as 5 by 9, 7 by 10, 9 by 13, 11 by 12, 13 by 19, 15 by 22, etc. These six terms are here. Then we want to classify this in which progression it is. This is neither AP, GP nor AGP. Okay. Sixth problem, sixth division, 2018. So it's given 2018, which is equal to AN. 6 terms are nothing but same 2018 only, because there is no n. So we couldn't substitute any values for n here. So keep as it is. So 6 times we can write this 2018. So all are same only. So we can say this is in AP and this is in GP and this is in AGP. That is nothing but arithmetic progression, arithmetic and geometric progression. Okay. Seventh division, AN equal to 3n minus 2 divided by 3 power n minus 1. So 3n minus 2 divided by 3 power n minus 1 here. Now I want to find the 6 terms now. So put n equal to 1 here. So 3 in the place of n I want to substitute 1 here, isn't it? So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 divided by 3 power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. So here 1 power 0. 3 power, here we got 3 power 0 only. 3 power 0 is 1 here. Okay. So at the numerator also 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. We got the answer as 1 now. And then for n equal to 2, I want to substitute for n equal to 2. We can have in the place of n I want to substitute 2. So 3 into 2 minus 2 here divided by 3 power n minus 1. Instead of n I want to substitute 2 here. So 3 power 2 minus 1. That is 6 minus 2 divided by 3 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 power 1 only. This 3 power 1 is nothing but 3 only there. So 4 by 3. So we got the answer for A2 is 4 by 3. And then for n equal to 3, again we want to substitute in the place of n equal to 3. Here 9 minus 2 divided by here 3 power 3 minus 1, that is 3 square. So here 7 by 9. And then for n equal to 4, that is nothing but A4. A4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 divided by 3 cube equal to 10 by 27. And then for A5, n equal to 5, that is 3 into 5 is 15 minus 2 divided by, here 3 power 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 13 by 81. And then for n equal to 6, that is 16 minus 2 divided by 3 power 5, which is equal to 16 by 243. So the sequence is 1, 4 by 3, 7 by 9, 10 by 27, 13 by 81, 16 by 243. Now we want to classify the sequence as in the AP or GP there. Look at the numerator 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. So it has the common difference 3. Okay. And at the denominator, look at the 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. So it's in the power of 3, isn't it? So we can say this is also in GP. So that numerator is in AP and the denominator is at GP there. So we can easily conclude this as this is in AGP, that is arithmetic and geometric progression.